I'm Michael Schuett for Klahanie Chevron Auto Service Center. Stay here and we'll talk with you more in a minute.
Whether you're sitting in your driveway or stranded on the roadside, having a car that won't start is a nerve-wracking experience. YourMechanic.com shares 3 common areas that can be investigated if this happens to you. The first area involves testing the battery and starter. To investigate a dead battery, first turn the key to the on position. Then turn on the car's headlights and check their brightness. If they are dim, then the vehicle may have a dead battery. It's time to get it jumped back to life or replaced. The second is the fuel and fuel pump. Sometimes the gas gauge shows more gas than you really have. Add a gallon of gas to the vehicle to see if it starts. That's the easiest way to check. The third possible problem is a problem with your spark plugs. Check by opening the hood and locate the spark plug wires. Use a spark plug socket and ratchet to remove one spark plug. If the white porcelain is cracked, or if the spark plug gap is too large, then the spark plug needs to be replaced. If you find any of these 3 are not the problem, then let us help get your vehicle back on the road. Come see us.
Klahanie Service Center is located in the Klahanie QFC Shopping Center. They're open 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Their ASE Master Certified Technicians are present Monday through Saturday. Call or just come in and set up a repair or maintenance appointment. There's no need to drive down the hill for a fair, honest, and quality mechanic in Issaquah or Sammamish. Stay on the hill near your home and come see Klahanie Chevron Auto Service Center. They're online at KlahanieServiceCenter.com and like them on Facebook.